Hi everyone, we're doing a demonstration of how Ambi indoor air monitor works. So this is the box on which we get the device, and as you open it, there's nothing else on the box. It's completely empty, just the logo. And as you open the box like this is the device that is seated inside. And when you open it, uh, this is how the device looks. This is a LED screen, which is not a touch screen. There is a small button here to power on, and these are air vents in which the air is taken inside for sampling and sensing. And behind there is a logo, and this is a hook on which you can mount the device onto a wall, onto a nail, or otherwise you can simply keep it on the desk just like this, on any surface. Any flat surface can house this device. Now this box contains a simple USB power cable. This is USB, micro USB, which is used to power most of the Android phones. And this is the same type of USB cable. And when you open it, you get this cable. This is one side is USB, the other side is going to be a micro USB. When on the side, this is where you connect the port for charging, and it could be plugged into any 5-volt 1 ampere adapter that you may have, or to a PC, a USB PC port. Let's power this device on and see how it works. To power it on, you need to press and hold this, and the moment you see Ambi logo, that means the device is powered on. And AMV5 stands for Ambi Monitor version 5. This is their 5th iteration, and this is how the screen looks. The device has right now, moment when you turn it on, it starts to calibrate all the sensors. This one has a particulate matter sensor which senses particulate matter 2.5, particulate matter 1, and particulate matter 10. And there's also a total volatile organic component which it measures in the air. Then there is CO2. There's also the device screen times out after 30 seconds. Just tap it once and then you get the screen back. There is CO2, which is carbon dioxide, and it measures the carbon dioxide. And there is formaldehyde, which is HCHO. It also measures that. So HCHO is measured from 0 to 1.2. Carbon dioxide is from 400 ppm to 5000 ppm. TVOC is from 0 to 8. And then PM2.5 is 0 to 999. That's the range, 0 to 999 micrograms per meter cube. So the same measurement, milligrams per meter cube, is for TVOC, and micrograms for meter cubes for HCHO. So that's how this is working. After calibration, the numbers settle, and unless there is constant wind flow like what it is here, the ranges will not be differentiating, jumping to like something between 40 and 50, but instead varying decimally. And that's how the device works. That's pretty much it. Let's look at some of the operations that the device has. So when the device is on charge, for 60 seconds, the device does not time out. That means when this power cable is connected, the screen does not time out for 60 seconds. And when not on charge, the device times out after 30 seconds. This is to optimize the battery life. And then when you tap this device once, you will notice that the readings are now appearing in a tabular manner. This is how the tabular manner looks. You can see that we are measuring PM10, PM5, 2.5, and 1. And you can also notice how the rest of the elements are changing, right? And then when you tap it again, you land on a QR code. If you scan the QR code, you can download our app. And if you press and hold this button on this particular screen is when you connect it to Wi-Fi. So let me demonstrate how to connect this device to Wi-Fi using our mobile app. All right, so this is the screen of the app which you will be using to connect. Now this operation has to be done together. Simultaneously, you need to have the screen. Make sure that the mobile phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi, and your phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi to which you are trying to connect the Ambi Air monitor to the same Wi-Fi. So when you're on this screen, and on the screen, you need to tap and hold the screen, and the moment you press and hold the button when you're on this screen, it starts to give you a message where it says it's configuring Wi-Fi. And then when you do that, I'm going to place this device right here. Now I need to type the SSID of which the Wi-Fi I need to connect to. So and as you notice, this device is not connected to Wi-Fi, so I'm going to connect this device to Wi-Fi first. And this is how I connect my phone to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to type the password. Great, I have now typed the password, and now my phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi to which my device is on. So now I can come back to this. It's still doing a timer, so it will do a 60-second timer and wait for configuring Wi-Fi. I'm going to let it fail on purpose first time, so that you get the error message that says no Wi-Fi connect. That means it could not get the message from connection. So it works by a smart link. So the app tells the router to allow this device into connection. Now I'm going to press it again, press and hold it again to reinitiate configuring Wi-Fi, and then I'll leave it at that. And then I'll go back to the application that we were working on, and now I'm going to type the, ideally it should appear, but it's VWork. Okay. So I'm going to type the SSID. On some cases, the SSID should already be there. If not, just type it out. And then the password that we use to connect it to Wi-Fi. Okay, this is how we do it. Okay, I've typed the password and then click on confirm connect, and now you can see that the device is now trying to connect. It says waiting. There's some problem. I've selected a different. Okay, and now I'm going to say connect. So it's configuring Wi-Fi. And that's how you connect the device to Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's about the demo, and please do see our instruction manual and FAQ, and I look forward to, there's also a way to reach out to us during any hour of support. If your device does not connect once, please do try it a couple of times and it should ideally connect. Thanks for watching.